Hi, this is Tom. Welcome to my channel. So I'll start off by showing some images and then I'll talk about today's theme, which was niji 6. Not sure how to pronounce that, but it's uh, especially for anime images, but it works well with other things, which you'll see. All right. So here are some images, and to use these prompts, I just copied existing prompts. It was very easy to do. So I'll show you how I did that. And I just adjusted them so it had the niji 6 in them and create some really nice images. Okay, so in order to do this, I got them from two sources. So one was from myself. So I went to, if you go to organize, okay, and then here are folders I have. So I just went to images that I liked, like this one, and I can click on prompt, and I just adjusted this to add in the dash dash niji 6, which is the daily theme. Like that. Went to the daily theme and ran it. So it's very, very simple. And then I did the same thing. So if I go to the daily theme now, you'll see that it takes it over to there. Um, right here it has it. So it just does that automatically. Okay, and then another source that I used was to the Midjourney showcase. So if you go to Explore, and let me clear this out. So I'm click on Midjourney. Oh, I need to scroll up. Okay, that's it. And then you have the Midjourney showcase, random hot, top date and likes. So like this one looks like it would work well. So I'll show how you can do this. I just click on this one that I like. I'll click on prompt and I will go to the daily theme. Um, okay, and it brought in the prompt. So I'm going to get rid of this stuff here and replace it with the niji 6 and then run this. And we'll see how that looks. So that's how I did these. Really, really easy to do. So while that's running, I'll go back here for a second. And so I could use the Midjourney Showcase for the community or go to my likes. And so I use these for a number of them, like this one I used. I'll show this one in a second. So to get a like, you just can go to any of the Niji ones and like click a heart, and then that'll take it to your likes. So then you can come back whenever you want. Or if you wanted to see what else this particular user has done, then you can just click on their name and it'll bring up their gallery. So this person's done some nice things, like these are some pretty cool images. So you can explore ideas of other people whose prompts you like. Okay, so let's go back to the daily theme because it should have finished by now. And we'll take a look at the image that it created. If it will to my clicking, come on. All right, here we are. So this is the last one that we just did. And here are the images that it created for that. Okay, and these look pretty nice. It's not, okay, here we go. There, whoops, here, there, here, and here. All right, but let's say that I liked the original better. I want to get it closer to the original. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the Explorer. Okay, so here's the image that I use. So what I can do is I can right click on this, actually click on it first. So click on it first, right click, and go open image, new tab. Okay, so now what I can do is I'm going to grab the prompt here. Okay, go to daily theme. So this is going to take the prompt there, and then I'm going to add the image. So copy, and then paste. Now I can use this either like as the image or as a style reference or both. I'm going to use it as a style reference. Okay, then I'll hit enter. And, oh, I forgot to put in the niji 6. All right, so, well, that's all right. It'll give me a chance to show you again. All right, so I'll go a little slower this time. So I'm going to go to Midjourney, Explore. Okay, here's the image that I want. So I click on it once to see it. Now I can right click and then open image, a new tab. Okay, and then that'll bring it up to here where I can copy and paste the URL when I need it. Okay, so I'm going to use the prompt for the image. So prompt, click on prompt. Okay, and then I'll go to daily theme. So it'll bring the prompt to the daily theme. And then this time I'll remember to adjust it like I did before. So dash dash niji 6, okay, daily theme. I will go to the image, right click, copy, okay, paste, and I want to use it as a style reference. Okay, so I click on the paper clip icon. That makes it a style reference, and I'll click enter. Okay, now it's good to go. So while this is running, I'll show one last thing, which is most of my videos involve using ChatGPT, but this one I didn't really need to use ChatGPT, but just to get something from ChatGPT in there, I'll show what I did. So in the ChatGPT session, I gave it the Venice one, and it misunderstood and made an image in Dolly, which is a pretty nice image. And then I had to tell it, like, no, I just want the Midjourney prompts. And the instructions I gave it was, I gave it the prompt. Okay, that ends here. And I said, please adjust this slightly, making 3 variations. Actually, I went up with 4. And then I explained that I was going to be using the image as a basis for it, so it would work better if it kept it close to the image that I gave. I said it could like change the color scheme slightly or make it about Paris or something. So basically keep it the same, but slightly change it. And it came up with 4 that I ran, which I'll show the results in just a second. Okay, so let's go back to here. This is going slow. Okay, there it finished. All right, all right. Okay, so here we have the images that it just did. So I do like these a bit better. So this was using the original as a basis for it. And so I tried running these in both ways, and I would say that this did work out the best. With find an image that you like, and then just do what I did, that use it for a style reference, and just slightly adjust the prompt. And you can see these turned out quite nicely. And let me go to my folder again that I created, which is Daily Theme Niji. And for example, I use that technique here, same exact technique. I thought this turned out really, really nicely. And also these moose ones. This is from a previous daily theme, which was on moose. Or moose was a daily theme. And I thought both of these, I'm not sure which would come up better in a YouTube video, so I chose both of these. But these turn out really nicely using the same technique. Okay. Um, all right. So, oh, and this one, of course. Who could not like this one? Um, so I think that was everything that I wanted to show. I think so. I'll stop the video here. And oh no, there was one other thing. I wanted to show the results of the last ones that I did. So all images. All right. So these were the ChatGPT ones. So this was from Paris. So it adapted the theme to Paris. This looks a bit ominous. No people in the boat. But it did a nice job with that. And then here we have some more Venice ones. And this is just changing the color scheme slightly. Here the fellow's balancing on the gondola. Okay, so thank you for watching. And